afternoon, everyone. It's Rachel here, and I am here with a Etsy update. Oh, I didn't put any nice background behind me, but anyway, we'll just look at my table. So I have this page. All my pages are upside down. So this is a kit that Steffi got excited about, and he designed for me. It's done with all these bits of paper that I had painted. And I had scanned them because I don't know, I just like them. And then he's done stuff to them and made a kit out of it, and it's really fun. It can be quite bright at times, so I'm warning you. But I'm going to also have a play with it, not in this video, but in the video that you'll see today. So yeah, I hope you like it. It's kind of, this is really personal because these are all my bits and pieces that I painted. So I feel a bit nervous about it, really. But I really like what he did. So, and they're fun pages that you can rip bits off and use, or, you know, pages that you can build on in a journal. So I think there's 8 pages in the you know, the journal page kit. And then there's some tags. So he had a lot of fun doing this. This one's pretty bright, strong colours. And I remember painting the pages. I had a lot of fun doing them. So it's an easy way to get a bit of a painterly sort of journal happening. So it's like that and like that. But then you can add some fluffy bits and birds and things like that. And I think they'd be fun. I like this page. And then behind there's bits of ledger and antique books. My own ledger paper and antique books. And this page, I love that page. Really, really pretty. Oh no, that's another one. Oh, sorry guys. That's another kit. That one's coming. That's a bit of a faux pas, isn't it? I haven't finished the tags for that one. So, so these are the tags here. And I've done the big tags again because I've been enjoying those. Oh, and I had this one here. It's the same, but I stuck 2 stickers on it, and I really like it. I thought you might get a kick out of that because I'm obsessed with, you know, conquering the circles. So these are the tags I really like. See how you can, these are like, I've added these. They're like, I make them a little bit more transparent so they sort of don't look like they're just sitting on top of the paper. You can see a little bit of the writing behind there, but you can see how the usual things that we use do work on the papers. I love those. I added, you know, bits and pieces, the painted bits on that one. Oh, this one's upside down. So that's actually an image, a painting of Florence, and Steffi put a border around it for me. I thought they were really pretty, and I liked the way the frame, you know, the labels became transparent, and also the typed paper. Oh gosh, I'm sorry guys, please forgive me. I haven't looked at this for a while, so they're going in all, oh my gosh, each one, every single one. That's the, okay. This is one of my favorites. I love the colors in these. They're very intense, but I really like them. So it's kind of a botanical painted kit. So it's my paintings in the background, obviously, and then I've added bits and pieces. I've never added nests before. I like those. And then these, some labels and things. Oh gosh, and of course the last one's upside down. And then there's that one there. So I'm really excited about this kit. I hope you like it. I'm just going to show you, because I'm going to jump into that video next. I'll pause this. This that we worked on yesterday. I'm actually going to put some of these pages in, and you'll see this in the next video. I'm going to put some of these because I really like the colours with it. And it's bringing in a bit of the pinks, but also the reds. And I just printed out that one. I printed them a bit smaller, so that way, and I've just staggered them, so that way they fit. I'm going to slip in some other pages as well, but I've just sort of positioned them a little bit where I liked them. And then I liked this. I'll show you. I liked this page, those 2 pages together. And then I liked this sort of thing. It's very pretty. I really like it. So that's what I'm going to be doing. We're going to be playing with it straight away. So and there's more, the reverse sides there, and I love all of that sort of look. And then that's just that, and I liked these together as well. So just to give you an idea that I am going to play with it straight away. So I'm going to stop the video. The links will be in the description box for the tag kit and the journal page kit, and I'm going to get cracking on this one. So I'll see you in a minute.